Are you struggling to stand out on TikTok? You're not alone in this crowded space. Every second, hundreds of new videos are uploaded, making it crucial to capture your audience's attention instantly. What if we told you that TikTok views might pay off significantly if you master the platform's secrets? TikTok counts a view the moment anyone watches your video, unlike older platforms requiring longer view times. To tap into TikTok's vast revenue potential, you'll need to qualify for the Creator Fund with specific criteria. You can earn between $20 and $40 for going viral with 1 million views. Imagine the possibilities. Here are 11 smart hacks that can boost your views and make your content go viral. First, embrace the power of short videos. They increase view completion rates and capture attention effectively. Using trending hashtags is essential for improving your discovery on TikTok, making your content easier to find. Follow viral trends to keep your content relevant, as TikTok thrives on popular topics and challenges. Collaborating with TikTok influencers can broaden your reach. Team up for remarkable exposure and engagement. Utilize TikTok's special features like Stitch and Duet to recreate popular content and showcase your creativity. Cross-promote on other platforms, driving traffic back to your TikTok, enhancing both your views and engagement. With humor and captions, refine your videos. Make your audience laugh and connect with your message effortlessly.